What's up, my naturalistas? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to show you guys a tutorial with my new perfect pineapple wrap. It's only fitting being a brand ambassador for the company to show you guys how you can slay this perfect pineapple. Now it is a full wrap, but you can also rock it as a headband. So I'm going to try to talk my way through this. I'm a visual learner, but hopefully you all can follow. So you just pull it out and then you just tuck in that top flap. So the same if you watch any of my other videos. Now just so you all can see, now if you have to like lay it down on something, that's fine, but standing up trying to show y'all, I just tuck it under my chin and I fold it up once, and then I fold it up, I believe 2 additional times, and it just depends on how thick or thin you want this headband to be. But you just keep folding it up until it's the width that you want. And then I have my hair in a protective style just to show you all how you can rock it with a protective style. And so it's pretty much the same how you're just tying a full wrap. So just crisscross applesauce, and then you just bring it over your head. And this is one of the simplest ways to turn your full wrap into a headband. And I just love this yellow. Like, it's fun, gives me spring vibes. So this next way that you can slay your wrap is more of a bandana style. So basically, you're just folding it, like if you just grab it in the middle to make a triangle. So anyway, like you would a regular scarf or like bandana. So just grab it in the middle so you have a triangle. And then again, I'm tucking it under my chin and folding it over. Now this time, I don't know why I grabbed it under my chin, because clearly I'm starting from the top, but it's fine, whatever way is comfortable. And it's really no wrong way to tie this. So again, you just want to fold it as wide or as thin as you want it. And then again, I just flip my hair over, pull it around, and again, the whole crisscross applesauce, and you situate it however you want. I didn't slay my edges or anything because I just did this style and I knew I would be taking this wrap on and off. But yeah, but just make this wrap as fun as you want. So for this particular bandana style, I just twist the ends and then just tuck it in on the side, and then you can rock it just like this. And then if you want to not have it so uniform, I like the 90s kind of vibe of the bandana. So you can just untuck the ends. And if you want to just rock it just as is, that's fine. But the ends were a little long for me, so I just did like another knot and just made it cute and funky. I'm still while in the bandana stuff. You want to just create a knot, I just tied it just an additional time. So I think it may have been 2 or 3 times. And then from there, I just tuck in the very ends of that. But again, make this as cute and as fun as you want. But just wanted to show you all some fabulous headband styles you can rock with your perfect pineapple wrap. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to always stay true, stay curly, and stay you. Mwah.